crap. I lost my balls. You. Hey, move your seat, Bobby. I lost my. I lost my balls, man. Shut up. All right, back on up. I'm gonna help him get that over there. Hang on, Bobby. You can come help, cuz.
We're getting right now. We're standing up. You guys standing up.
Push.
Now we got to stand this thing up now.
Hang on.
Push the forward right here. Push that. Look that forward right. God. Now we got to pick this thing up now.
How the hell are we gonna get back across?
I'll get around the edge. I want to take that middle right here.
I hate y'all. I almost lost mine.
I seen
Made it.
I got it all on camera too. I don't know how I caught mine in time. I'm glad I did.
Hey. Apparently you're snorkeling higher than you think it is.
No, it's up under there. I was walking it the whole way.
Yeah. What's that like, man?
570.
570?
Oh yeah. Man, look at that gator right there. No, I'm just playing. I had a dick. I got a vagina now. Bobby, what have you done? You look cold.
Austin's fault.
Austin, not my fault. I know what we did. We went on the side where the rocks was at instead of taking the middle.
Yeah. I went in the edge.
Y'all went around it.
Yeah.
The hell with y'all? Was it deep? Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
See, we went right here on the side with the rocks was at.
Instead of trying to tell y'all not to hit that edge.
Y'all coming straight through?
Straight through.
It wasn't deep there, straight through?
A little bit back in the middle.
Well, that guy was coming around going through the middle.
Ready? You got it.
MSA, M-Core 20. No, them M12. Them ain't core. What kind of them?
What?
Rims. It ain't core. No, I ain't talking. I mean, yeah, M112, but I can't remember the name of them. Oh, Bobby.
This way I should have been. On the back of it.
You tried.
I ain't gonna say I know how to ride the water. Did my first time riding the water.
Stay away from that edge.
Over the edge.
We done bow flip. Oh. Man, you're snorkel long enough you can go on through. No, he done flip. He hit them rocks right there. On the edge right there. Woo! It's okay.
Need a damn suit.
We need one of them right here he's wearing.
Yeah. They're right walk. Yeah, they work. That stuff I walk. Oh yeah.
It's warm.
Oh yeah, it's warm.
This ain't. Yeah, he flipped his, I flipped mine. Luckily I caught mine though. We come in on that side right there and we caught them rocks is what happened. Ooh. Right there is where he flipped. Tell him to stay where you went through. Alright. Told you. You good? Yeah, stay away from this edge, dude. He done flipped, I done flipped. Come straight through right here. He just come through it. Alright. Alright, when you come, if you come around, stay right here in the middle. Stay right here in the middle. That's my problem. I flipped when I got right here, and he flipped too. Yeah, stay towards that middle. Don't come towards these rocks. Go over that way. It's a little hump. That's a little hump right here. He just went straight on through right there.
Yeah, it's just deeper than I thought it was.
Oh yeah. Like I was saying, I come around right there, it tilted over. I was like, oh hell no, it ain't going over. Cause Polaris and Can-Am and all, they get wet, they done.
Oh yeah.
If it's a Honda like that, just flip them up and tell you what, man, you got waders on, man. I don't. Lean over towards this way and keep on coming up. 850 Black Widow. See, that's what I did. I hopped off and climbed up through here. See, once you get right there, it ain't all that bad. We almost had, y'all, we almost had 3 down. What is this, 19?
Yeah.
That's a nice four-wheel, dude.
Thank you.
Austin.
Will Vickers.
Huh?
Will Vickers.
All right. Yeah, I'm recording right now, so. Man, I got all that on record. That's gonna be a good video. I could probably cut mine off now. He almost lost his.